accommodation.
Not too bad. Looks more modern than some of the things we've done.
One.
That's what you got in top, eh?
Maybe if there's a fly in here.
Miss, oh my god, I'm so...
Kitchen table in the middle of the
Miss,
kitchen.
oh my god, I'm
And
so
then
sorry.
called an island.
Yeah, it's a kitchen island.
Put
It
plates
looks
and stuff.
damn small. Alright,
My
look at
bed.
that TV. Hey,
My bed.
You okay?
my bed.
My bed.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
It's actually quite nice.
So I can guarantee there's at least two. Thank you very
I
much.
just went to a place
I
where
can book you.
I just shook him.
Yeah, good.
There was like a gate where it led to like a backyard sort of place where there was my private property.
Record bladder.
Damien's first ever experience.
So the third one.
It's the fourth one, actually. So
What are you
do
guys
the
playing?
The third big groove. Should be every breath you take.
Is that it?
No.
Oh, that's the end of one song. That's the end of one song.
Okay. I thought it's a longer song. There might be that big groove. Next one. Next one. And for the big groove. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, the place. It's a really cool song.
Where's the money that goes?
We'll do this for Mark, eh?
Yeah, money is back. Definitely take money.
Mark, look, this is our Airbnb in Dunedin.
There you go, turn left. Stand up.
Okay, hello and welcome to Cadbury Grove. My name is Christine and I'm your tour guide on this last tour of the day. You should all have a ticket that looks like the ticket on the door. We will go through that door, you show me your ticket, I give you a bag with chocolate. You can eat that chocolate given you have permission of your guardian. And don't let your guardian eat all of your chocolate either. The other thing is if you don't have your guardian with you, you have to decide for yourself. If anybody is vegetarian, please let me know before I give you the bag, because then I will give you a different bag and give you some different chocolate at the end of the tour.
Ich bin aus Hamburg. Oh, meine Schwester ist in
Stuttgarter Osten, Ostendplatz.
Okay.
3 and 4.
Thank you. Where did we go? This is the Cadbury factory. We went down these doors, up these buildings, all the way across, and we climbed up into this purple silo, all the way to the top. And we were in this little balcony. We have just finished the Cadbury World tour, and this is what you get once you're finished. You get a, what's that, Frodo, just slightly eaten, a Buzz, packet of Jeffers, Birkin Nana, another Buzz, Crunchy, and chocolate fish. If you're vegetarian, you get a packet of Jeffers and a block of dairy milk chocolate. And we're lucky we got everything. Now Damien, what did we do on the tour? What do you remember?
Chocolate, and some more chocolate.
We went to the sensory lab.
We saw a big ass mountain of chocolate.
We got to make our own chocolate concoction.
Oh,
We can mix different chocolates and we can do it toppings. We got to see how they temper chocolate, and we got to smell chocolates and guess what it is. Was that cool?
No, the smelling part was.
Yeah, it was a bit too much of a smell. We also did go into the silos, and we got to see,
1,000 liters of chocolate falling down,
which is pretty cool.
and potentially
And the
the world's largest.
silos that we're talking about is the purple one over there. We climbed all the way to the top, and they dropped the chocolate down.
Potentially
and-
the world's biggest chocolate
Chocolate fall.
fall. Yeah.
And if you get splashed with chocolate, that is considered to be lucky. We also got to see how Jeffers are made, how they put them in a machine that looked like a washing machine. They put some syrup, they have the chocolate bowls, and then they put the syrup, and it's very, very noisy. And then we got to take some Jeffers home. We got to see a video of how pineapple lumps are being made and chocolate fish.
Yeah.
And yeah, we got lots of chocolates, plenty of chocolates to keep us going for the rest of our holiday. So thank you, Cadbury World, for the tour.
Bye. Stop.
One, two, three, go!
I'm trying to get my ass off.
Okay, go! Straight legs.
Look, that's the end of the train all the way down there.
Here we are. We're at Steeper Street. Oh, are you ready?
Yay!
Excited?
Yay!
Who's gonna make it to the top?
Me. Me.
I'm gonna tell that
I don't
one
care if I crawl up. I'm getting up there.
We'll try anyway.
There you go. Here's the kid.
4,300
Well, it's
Really?
straight.
300 steps. And I've done
6,270.
9 floors. Let's see how many floors we'll get after doing Baldwin
12
Street.
floors.
9 floors starting.
I am gonna die, Cassie.
Holy moly. He's just started. Like we're not even the steepest part yet. It even has steps, which come handy. I'm gonna do 2 at once. Is this the top?
No, this is the top.
This is the top. You get past this line, it gets wet again.
Okay. Now we need a
Foggy with all, make it.
we need a photo. Oh, look, there's a water tap, guys. Somebody's been thinking.
Actual chickens.
No, we've done 29 floors. So that's 20 floors up. Come on.
Wait, Mom, video this. Down Baldwin Street.
There's a guy that is biking. How crazy. Crazy biker. Oh my god, he's almost up. This guy just biked down. Oh
We
my
put disc
god,
brakes, so it's okay. Yeah, I wouldn't trust normal bike brakes on it.
that guy, right there.
Like on the easily off the ground.
Let's do it. Like, you think that you're standing up straight?
Yeah. I think
Are you standing straight?
this feels like straight to me, but is this?
You're like a leaning
It's already
tower
been-
I know,
pizza.
that's what I mean. To me, this is straight, but because if I stand with 2 feet straight,
Oops.
I fall that way. Yeah, so
Baldwin Street.
even when I stand backwards like this,
That's how
I have to
steep
lean back.
Baldwin Street is.
If you stand straight forward over your feet.
You can get a certificate to prove that you've done Baldwin Street, which I think is a bit silly, considering we've got photos and videos to prove that we've been up. But Ray wants a certificate.